What's up, guys? Welcome back to my first vlog on this channel. My name is Asia Simone. Anyway, so today, well, in this vlog is going to be consisting of me getting my hair done, and I'm gonna insert the footage after I'm done explaining, because I didn't do a intro yesterday. I just filmed different parts of me getting my hair done because I didn't like how my hair was before I got my hair done. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just film them. I'm gonna just show y'all me filming getting my hair done, and then today I'll give y'all a real intro. But today we are going to get a wax appointment. I booked it yesterday, and thank God she had an appointment for today. So I'm getting a wax today. I'm gonna take y'all along. Of course I'm not gonna show y'all, but y'all gonna come with me. I'm gonna get ready, and then I'm gonna enter the footage of me getting my hair done now.
A few moments later.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be hanged. I remember empty mind shit. I should've given from you the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be in your sense, this is urgent. Trying to make some similar change to me, a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my name.
This one. Okay, so now we finna get ready. My hair appointment is not my hair appointment. My wax appointment is at 11:30, and it's only but like 6 minutes away from me. Does she got any food places around here? I'm hungry. But yes, I'm about to get ready, so I'm gonna set y'all up and I'm gonna just get ready. This is actually the sweatshirt I wore when I did get my hair done. I was just being lazy. I just put it on because it's so warm, so I'm not dirty. But I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna get in the shower afterwards. Oh wait, should we go morning wake and bake?
Help me, nigga!
But yeah, guys, throughout my vlogs, y'all gonna get to know me. I didn't know what I want to do for my first vlog. I wasn't sure if I should do like a sit down and answer questions, but I'm like, no, I just rather show the real me. Like, y'all gonna know me without me telling y'all. Of course, I'm gonna do Q&As and stuff like that after y'all answer questions, but I'm not gonna be answering questions y'all never asked about.
I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 of my yearnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is right. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other morning. I need to free my mind now. I really need Jada. I really need to free my mind.
So I'm done with my face and my oil routine, and now I'm finna get in the shower. The time is, I didn't even tell y'all the date or the time. I'm so sorry. January 26, 10:26. I'm going on time. I usually start mad late, but I was like, you know what, if I'm recording, I want to start a little bit early, because it's like I'm gonna just get in the shower and I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm out. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just got out the shower, and what I'm gonna be smelling like today. And now it's time for the hair. Like, I'm gonna play some music because my hair looks so good. Like, my hair looks so good, so I'm gonna just play some music while I get ready, because I don't listen to a lot of Meek Mill, so we might play a Meek Mill track, but I know I'm gonna have to like cut it out because copyright. I don't want to get copyright, not right now.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, would you?
Also guys, I am a brand ambassador for my girl relly.chong on Instagram, and if you live, if any of my girlies live in Hampton, Virginia, she is located there, and I'm telling you, she just got a new suite and it's pink, and she got the best conversations, she got the best wigs. So yeah, I'm gonna be promoting her. I'm gonna be buying hella wigs off her, trying hella different styles from her. So I'm only having one stylist, which is relly.chong. As you can see, this lace is very much gone. These curls are very much there. She really looked out for me. Back to me.
Top the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds to it, cause the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might just fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she got a toys. She been coming for myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep this shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit.
It's 10:57, so we're running good on time. Yeah, my appointment's at 11:30, so I don't even need none. But it's like I kind of want to put it up there and let the lace band sit up there till it's time for my appointment. She told me there's not even a spray that she could recommend. I just can't find it. She told me to get the Even Spray Black Can and put my fingers, tap my lace, and put my band that she gave me. She gave me a band too. Like, I love her. I also go to work today, unfortunately. So this is basically just a part 2 for my vlog for my hair. So it's gonna be kind of short. But best believe, guys, when I'm off, I'm be coming with the bangers, the longer vlogs. I'm gonna put this so cute, like the girls on my job. Ah! I'm so excited. And the lashes look like lash extensions. I'm gonna look like a bad bitch. But I go to work at 2, and by the time I hear my wax appointment should only take about 20 minutes anyway, because I had a wax before. This nothing new. She don't gotta talk me through it. Your skincare routine, let me know right now. And I'm only 5 minutes away from her, so I'm gonna call my Uber around 11:15, because there should be one pulling up, and it does take me about 5 minutes to get there, and I'll take y'all guys with me. Okay guys, so it is now 11:16, and I'm finna call my Uber. Let's see, it's still at $6.99, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just get it. So it says see driver in 1 to 6 minutes. So it came out to $6.58 with the boost. Period. We save money all 2023. I'm checking with you guys when I'm walking down to the Uber. Hopefully I make it on time.
Top the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds to it, cause it slides in both ways. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy.
Okay, I'm in the right one. There you go. Hi.
Oh, you brought a camera!
Yeah! You vlog. You vlog. You okay to be on camera? Okay. This is our sweet. So pretty.
Oh, thank you. They be like, oh, this is inappropriate. And I'm like, oh, fuck.
So they like.
Oh, let me not curse.
No, you good.
Let me tell you when to breathe.
Okay.
I can tell you. I got you, girl. You
Okay.
ready?
Yeah.
You gonna do this shirt first. All right, cool. Deep breath in.
Okay, it's good. Never mind. Okay. I just haven't had the feeling in so long.
No. Plan, you just needed the plat.
Okay, well, this is the end. This is my last time, y'all. So you can say like your Instagram is
Oh yes,
always.
okay, so my Instagram is beautybykaraskinandwaxbar and I'm located in Hampton or Newport News. So come see me.
Yes, we're gonna be with her. Y'all gonna see my journey.
We love the maintenance vlog.
We love them. Thank you. You gonna charge the. Okay, guys. So right now I'm just waiting for my mom. I just got my wax done and the pain was not even there. Like, y'all need to get yourself a wax. It's not that painful as you will be saying. If you like shaving, that's fine. But me, shaving does not work out for me. So this is probably going to be the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. This is just the first video. If you like me now, just wait. But yes, don't forget to subscribe. I'm looking around because like I feel like somebody coming, but yeah, so like if you like watching it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. I'm gonna be posting on TikTok more. And yes, bye guys.